Welcome to this small town. Have a seat, drink and sing. Welcome to my ocean. The air is easy and salty. And I don't mind if you don't mind me. Sing for your life, sing for me. Let our song echo and ring in a million years for eternity. Oh, I'm home now, as home as I'll ever be.
What's up, Savages? Today we're in Southern California with 951Tactical. He's a custom kydex builder. This is Aaron, the owner. We came to see his operation, kind of see how things are done a little bit here, and test out his products. So how long have you been doing this?
So I've been doing it for about 2 years. I kind of just started out doing this as a hobby, making stuff for friends and family and friends of friends, and kind of just turned it into a small business. And I work full time and I do this on the side, and just trying to make this into a full-time gig.
Well, it looks like you got a nice little operation here. We're going to see how everything works throughout the process. I think he's going to make me a custom holster today, right?
Yep.
Perfect. And I'm excited to use it. We're going to do some field testing with it, see how it runs. So far, everything that I've seen has been extremely professional. So how can people go on and see your products and buy them?
They could find me on Facebook and kind of look at the work and stuff that I do, or they can go to my website at 951-tactical.com, and you can find all the products and everything that we offer on there.
All right, perfect. Well, we're going to see how this goes, so stay tuned.
Let's enlighten you with a story about a young fella from a small town. In his age, most things are boring. It takes me 6 minutes to show you around. I didn't say it to make you kiss me. I didn't say it 'cause I want your pity. I wanna fight, I wanna drink, I wanna live. When I get older, I'll lock up things. There are some things that you shouldn't know. There are some things that should be untold. There are some things that you shouldn't know. There are some things that should be untold. Should be untold. Should be untold. When I was younger, I was trusting and able to make friends with you when I shouldn't have. That's the kind of things I need to get over. Being so dumb can put you in the ground. If you choose me, then you'll see it's over. And if you kiss me, you can say goodbye. And even though we aren't exactly like mirrors, you love this boy from a small town. I didn't say it to make you kiss me. I didn't say it 'cause I want your pity. I wanna fight, I wanna drink, I wanna live.
Hey, I wanted to thank you again for having us out. Man, it's just awesome setup you have here. I'm thoroughly impressed with the way things are done here. Your attention to detail, everything here is awesome. And I just want to say, hey, we really appreciate it.
Thanks for coming out.
Absolutely. Your website one more time
It's
for our viewers.
951-tactical.com.
Awesome. Hey, if you guys need any awesome kydex products, like I said, this is one of the coolest setups I've ever seen, I've ever been to. Ragnar was out here the other day, and we were talking with Aaron, and he was thoroughly impressed as well. So, as always, guys, stay savage.
Home now, as home.